In today's video we'll mount the chain, the shifter, the wheels and all other components, and very soon this monster will be ready to hit the trails. Every ride of this hardcore hardtail rewards every last drop of your skills. And now it's time to continue with our build. Okay, let's start with the shifter. Okay. Yes. Okay, we'll move it like this. Now. No. Nice. Okay. Okay. Okay, nice. Then cup. Super. Let's see how it should be the brakes. I mean, this will be a perfect position. Okay. This one should be here like this. Okay, super. Nice. Same space here. Same space here. Okay, super. Okay, next thing we will install the chain and the rear wheel. Just to see like this. Guys, look at this. I mean, the packaging is outstanding. Okay guys, next thing we should do, we should install the shifter cable. Here. Now another one. I think this is the last one. Just to see. Okay, you see this. Okay, perfect. Now, nice. So this is how to tighten the zip ties. This is the magic. If you didn't know. Super. So we have installed the hose with the steel cable. Okay guys, now it's time for the chain, to install the chain. Nice. Okay. Nice. Perfect. Nice. I didn't expect this kind of bike. I mean, I expected something normal, but this is outstanding. This is awesome. We will cut this thing here. Okay, nice. Like this. Okay, nice. So I think it's perfect now. Okay, now. Okay, because I haven't got spare parts to cut this hose now, I make a temporary solution here with the cable. Now we should install the front caliper. Okay, I bought two different adapters because no type of adapter would fit this massive rotor from 220 directly to this fork, which is 180. So I will try to install the caliper with two adapters, and one adapter is from 180 to 203 and the second one is from 203 to 220. It's a little bit nonsense, so I should take bigger bolts. This up. Okay, up. I think it will be perfect. Yes, just to buy some longer bolts and we are good. Next thing, we should install the cable for the fork. We have here this small piece. This one should go like this. Okay, this thing like this. And because I haven't got longer bolts for the caliper at this moment, I will make a separate video and very soon you will be able to join me at the trails where we will make the first ride and we will test this monster. Okay guys, before I finish I want to say thank you for the support all this time, like the video, hit the subscribe button and see you in the next one.